All right, here's a great reason to use dimensions when working out your design. Dimensions is a specific tool in the sketch tool. So I made this object for my wallet, and I realized that I want to change it. And so what I started with was an offset of the center point to two other points on the object, telling me where I wanted it to be. And now I don't like where it is anymore. And I actually prefer it like this orientation. So how I can do that now is basically by copying the same measurements. So for the offset is 4 here, and the offset here is oh, I did it to the wrong one, so I'll do it. I can change that. So dimension is, you hit the letter D key on the keyboard, letter D, and I can go from here to here and set that. That's driven. I have to delete this one. I'll start over here from here to here, and I can set that to 6. And now I've just made it the same as the one above. So I can do the same thing over here. I can go from here to here, make that 6, and from here to here, and make that 4. And now all of the orientation for these parts on the edge are identical. Great reason to use the sketch dimension tool. So it basically forces a certain space between objects, whatever you define. And you'll notice how, because I had already had a history of extruding those parts, I just moved the sketch, and then the extrusion is also updated in the timeline down here.